Exercise 6.1. First question, prove the following identities. Cot theta plus tan theta is equal to secant theta cosecant theta. So when you have to prove the identities, you have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. So take LHS. So LHS value is cot theta plus tan theta. So always remember, cot theta we can write it as cos theta divided by sin theta. So remember cot and cos. So both will begin with the letter C. Similarly, tan theta we can write it as sin theta by cos theta. So replace cot theta and tan theta. So cos theta by sin theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Cross multiply. So you will get cos theta into cos theta, you will get cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, you will get sin square theta divided by multiply the denominator, that is sin theta and cos theta. And there is an identity which states that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So replace cos square theta plus sin square theta by 1 divided by sin theta and cos theta. So when you have 1 divided by AB, you can write it as 1 by A into 1 by B. So similarly, we'll write 1 by sin theta, 1 by cos theta. So 1 by sin theta value is cosecant theta and 1 by cos theta value is secant theta. So your RHS is nothing but secant theta into cosecant theta. So you got your RHS. So for the second question, first write your LHS. So after writing, so we have an identity in terms of tan square theta, that is tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. So in your LHS, tan square theta is common, so take it out. Tan square theta, when you take it out, you will get tan square theta plus 1. So if you want to check whether the step is correct or not, multiply tan square theta and check and whether you are getting the previous step or not. So after that, tan square theta plus 1, you can write it as secant square theta. So you got this value as secant square theta from the identity. So similarly, tan square theta you can replace by secant square theta minus 1. So multiply. So when you multiply secant, here you have 2 plus 2. So you will have 4 here. 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta is secant square theta. So you got your RHS. Hence proved. Prove the following identities. 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. So first write your LHS. Here the LHS value is 1 minus tan square theta by cot square theta minus 1. So equal to 1 minus tan square theta, you can write it as sin square theta by cos square theta. Similarly, cot square theta you can write it as cos square theta by sin square theta minus 1. So cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, you will get cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta cos square theta minus sin square theta by sin square theta. So you will get so here the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. You will get sin square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta will get cancelled. So sin square theta by cos square theta, it's nothing but tan square theta. So which is your RHS. So next question, cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. So take your LHS, that is cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. So multiply both numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of 1 plus sin theta, that is 1 minus sin theta. So cos theta by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So when you multiply cos theta into 1, cos theta minus cos theta into sin theta. When you multiply the denominator, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So you can write it as a square minus b square. So that is 1 minus sin square theta. So cos theta minus cos theta sin theta divided by, we have an identity, that is 1 minus sin square theta value is cos square theta. So now split. So cos theta by cos square theta minus cos theta sin theta by cos square theta. So cos theta and 1 cos theta will get cancelled. So we'll be left with 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So what is 1 by cos theta? It's secant theta, minus sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So you got your